Hey everyone, I'm Russell, and this is my off-grid cabin at Raspberry Rock. Yeah, Alicia's coming today. My wife's coming today, and she's staying for the weekend, so it's going to be awesome. But I got a lot of cleanup to do. I was working on the pine this week and got that one wall done and a little bit of this wall here. But it's a mess everywhere, so I want to do some cleanup, some tidying up. I've already did a little bit yesterday. I had some time. But I want it to look nice for when she gets here. And so quite a bit of work to do today. Anyway, come along. Come, join me. Oh, God. What are you doing? Whatever. These are some of the first holes I've put in my wall, putting my electrical box on and this other stuff. You know, putting the screws in, I mean. And then, of course, you gotta have a clock and you gotta have a calendar. This is where they were hanging before, but yeah, I had to put nails on my wall. But it looks good, right? And I tied up all the cables. Well, except for this one. There. I tied up all the cables. Yeah, it looks good. Pretty happy with it. Ah, I wish this cable, somehow I'd foreseen this and brought this cable through this little hole down here, along with these wires, instead of this hole over here. But yeah, I'm always going to look at stuff and go, geez, I wish they did that slightly differently. Oh well. One of my biggest problems here is I don't know where to put stuff. I got nowhere to put things. You know, I got the shelving unit over there, which is going to take some of this stuff, but I just, yeah, good. There. Alicia loves owls. I think the owls are her spirit animal, especially snowy owls. If anybody wants to send us any owl crafts, go ahead. Just let me know and I'll give you an address to send that to. Our new compost bin, right next to the garden. Outsiders. You know the number of stars in this movie? Or the number of stars this movie made? That is Tom Cruise, Rob Lowe, Emilio Estevez, Daniel LaRusso, Matt Dillon. Holy crap, man. Patrick Swayze. table. Jeez. Okay guys, a bit of an oddity here. Last time I took the trailer, the ATV and the trailer out to the road and back, the trailer came off. In fact, the ball came off the hitch. The nut came off the shank and the lock washer and stuff, so I ended up leaving the trailer there because I didn't have anything. I couldn't find the nut again. But I want you to see this. First of all, I'm picking those up with paper towel because I got to handle the camera and I don't want to get it dirty. I'm going to go. Yeah, so there's what the thread on a shank should look like, right? Looks good. The only problem with this ball was the shank was so freaking long I couldn't get a socket on it. Anyway, let me show you. Yeah, so here's the one that came off. Look at how smooth it is. There's like, somehow, the threads have been like shaved right off of that. Have you ever seen anything like that before? How could that possibly happen? I've never seen that. And you can see that up here the threads are shaved more, and as it gets down into where there's still some thread, you know, it's not quite as bad. Is that not bizarre? Anyway, if anybody's seen anything like that before, let me know in the comments. And yeah, I guess I'm gonna need a new ball. Like, why does that happen? I don't know. So strange. Alright everyone, I gotta cut this short. Actually, running around with a camera is really slowing me down, as it always does, but I just don't have time today. I gotta get stuff ready, and I got so much to do. So anyway, yeah, just a short video. Short video, good video. That's what I gotta say. There's Willers. Yeah, so thanks for coming along, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care, everybody.